is to 7 as 5 is to what? Only 1% get this right. Option A 17, option B 19, option C 18, and option D 20. Okay, 2 plus 5 equals 7, right? Okay, so 5 plus 5 equals 10. But this is 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. Okay, so 5 times 3 equals 15 plus 1 equals 16. But this is 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 2 times 4 equals 8 minus 1, right? Equals 7. Okay, so now 5 times 4 equals 20 minus 1 equals 19. So option B.